In the 21st century, many companies require advanced visual communications to connect and spread information about their products and services to the rest of the world. Visual communication is a skill that is both essential and in demand. This course focuses on the specifics of how to use a leading-edge camera platform, a DSLR-like camera, to its full potential, so that you are then able to succeed in shooting a professional quality video project. The nature of the project, documentary, film, music video, corporate video, business video, educational video, and so on, is not what is essential. The core skill of using your camera effectively is something that can be taken with you and applied to make media of any type as required in your future endeavors. After taking the course, you will be able to shoot any type of video, and most importantly, will be able to avoid many of the production mishaps that can happen when doing live recordings of audio and video. Even if you have used many cameras before, in many projects, production is something that must be constantly learned and relearned so as to maintain the skills at a high level, and thus ensure every new production is as good or better than the last. Specifically, you will also learn about the pre-production, production, and post-production process. You will learn about directing, camera work, video editing, sound editing, and other key aspects to media creation. Remember, these skills will help you to become or stay a quality media producer. The skills will help you connect with your vision to the ever-increasing number of people in the world who connect visually through smartphones, tablets, laptops, computers, and smart TVs. As a media producer, you have the opportunity to reach an ever-increasing browsing population in one of the most effective forms, video. Now let's talk a little bit about production phases. The 3 phases of producing video projects are pre-production, production, and post-production. In pre-production, one prepares and sets up the production to get going. Amateur producers often disregard this phase, quickly write up a script, and get going on the production. Though this can be quite effective in getting a larger quantity of video produced quickly, the work is very likely to come off as amateurish, and will certainly not be at the professional level required in most endeavors. In production, the actual shooting in the studio or on location will take place. Production includes all the days of filming. And in post-production, the editors for sound and audio edit the best scenes, apply effects, and package the production for distribution.